Hey guys, just a small update about Google professional certificates. Google offers 5 professional certificates in data analytics, project management, UX design, IT support and IT automation. And these certifications are 6 months long and it can prepare you for the entry level job in their respective fields. And if you'd like to explore these professional certifications which can help you get a job, I'll leave the link in description. Do check it out. And hi buddy, welcome back to answersQ. In this video, we'll see some free online courses that are offered by LinkedIn Learning to learn about Tableau software, which is basically a tool that is mainly used in data analytics field. So currently, LinkedIn is offering a learning path to learn Tableau, that is build your Tableau skills. And in this program, you have two courses. Nearly you have 8 hours of video content through which you can learn all the things about Tableau, and the professionals are going to teach you about Tableau in these programs, and you can see their names here, Kurt and Matt Francis. So these people are working professionals and have a lot of experience, so you are going to learn from people who have a solid experience with Tableau. So you can expect the content to be very good, of high quality. So these are the two courses. First one is Tableau Essential Training, and this will be taken by Kurt, in which you will learn how to analyze and display data using the Tableau software, and you have nearly 4 hours content for the first course. And the next one is creating interactive Tableau dashboards. So this will be taken by Matt Francis, in which you'll learn to create interactive dashboards that can give informative data using Tableau. So these are the two courses which you can use to learn Tableau software for free. And after completing these courses, you will get a free certificate. And after completing this learning path, you can also get a badge of completion. So now let's see how to enroll in these programs. So first, click on this sign in at the right top and log in with your LinkedIn account. If you do not have a LinkedIn account, just click on this join now and create your LinkedIn account first. You can also use your Google account to create a LinkedIn account. And once you are logged in, you'll be able to get the courses for free. So as you can see here, now I have logged into my account. So once you are logged in, the learning path page will be looking something like this. And now you can simply click on this start learning path button that you see here. And then you will see continue with, and here you can see the first course title, Tableau Essential Training. Let me just click on it. And that's it. Once we click on the course title, we will be enrolled in this learning path. And it is taking some time. Wait for a few seconds, and that's it. So here on the left side, you can see what are the things that you'll be learning in this course and how many videos you have, what is the duration of each video. You can see everything, guys. And after completing this course, you can simply click on this show all near certificates. And here you can see what are the certificates that you can get for this particular course. So for this one, we have two certificates. One is normal LinkedIn Learning certificate and the other one is NASB certificate. So for a LinkedIn Learning certificate, there is no exam or any kind of thing. You can just complete the course and download your certificate. But for NASB certificate, you need to take an exam and score at least 70% or more than that to get the certificate. I'm not able to download the certificate now because I haven't completed this course yet. But once you complete it, the link will become available. You can just click on this arrow that you see here and download your certificate. So I hope you'll find this useful. And if you are serious about learning Tableau and if you are looking for more resources to learn Tableau, I'll give you this link in description through which you can get more Tableau courses and training programs from various different institutes and companies. So you can also make use of these resources to learn about Tableau. And if you'd like to get more updates on free online courses, or if you'd like to get more updates about internships or any online events related to education, you can just subscribe to answersQ and press the bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also join our Telegram channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all the link in description. Do check it out.